Hello, here is the ancient one, getting ready to pick up my son at the dialysis center for 70th. And everybody's wearing masks. Of course, that's the COVID-19 protocol. And I've wiped down everything here, the steering wheel, everything. And so I'm doing my part, doorknobs, anywhere where I put my hands. But talking about hands, and this is a chance I have while I'm waiting. This is a hand, and it's connected to a wrist. So how do we go back in the backswing? There's forearm roll, and then there's wrist roll. Well, when we go back, we don't want to roll the wrist, so it would be like that. We want to roll the forearm, so that affects the wrist, but that's the extent of my, and then when I go back, this hinges. So it will go back almost 45 degrees. You can see people coming out. So just like you were going to clap your hand. Now I got this from Lynn Blake 6 years ago. He's a golf machine advocate, and there are a lot of elements there, pressure points and accumulators and everything, which is above my pay grade. But I understand basic. There's a caregiver with a mask. I understand basic human anatomy. So if we're going to clap our hands, bam, bam. That's basically really what the golf swing is. It's going back, and we're not rolling like that, smacking the baby's butt. Oh, I shouldn't do that. But it's keeping that retains lag, shaft lean. But it is a little bit of it's a wrist roll, I mean a forearm roll, and then it comes through. So there is some dynamics there. So it goes back to here. And that thumb is pointing up, not like that, and not like that, but up about 45 degrees, say. And then when you come back around, its face of the club is mirroring your hand. It's coming in, catches it, and then it thumb goes up, and it covers it. And that pinky finger follows the thumb. It's not flipping over like that. So again, the review, setting up, this would be perpendicular to the ground, like you're using an axe. But then when we go back, forearm roll, wrist hinge, bam. Forearm roll, wrist hinge, bam. So this is the ancient one, signing off. Hope you're all doing well, healthy, and stay safe. Cheers.